leer ek die ding nou.
Flying my private jet to villas in Anguilla. Just throw you on the grill. That's for 7 days a week. You're my 5-course meal for real.
I had to pull over to record that part. That's my favorite part of the song. If I don't get to have a chocolate eclair today, I'm gonna crash out. I'm gonna take one of the smaller ones. How can it be so good? I wanna have a second one so bad. Lemon water for good measure. Volgens balance. Net cinnamon. No honey, no nothing. Just lemon and hot water. That'll sort me out. Let's chat later. Want ek het ook al nog